And welcome back to the DOGFATHER'S Toys. This is an update. This would be part 5 of my build of the Eagle from 1999. And I finally finished this. This thing was a complete pain in the butt. Because you had all these metal, or not metal, but rods in the middle. You're supposed to glue one end and stick the other end on top and hope like heck it matches. If not, you gotta sit there and play with it. And since I use super glue, my fingers were getting stuck. That's right, I use clear Gorilla Glue. But I don't want this stuff to fall apart. But I finally got it assembled. Only thing I did not glue is these two outside cylinders. I will eventually. And this will go on to the hook onto the back of there, and the 4 thrusters will go right here. So I'm coming along slowly but surely. After this, you got to build all 4 of them landing gear pods and paint them, so forth. And then we move on to the cargo bay or work bay or whatever you want to call it bay. Then the scaffolding on top. So this would be a short one. Here's that scaffolding I was telling you about. Here's a better picture of it. You got to put that there. And then lift off thrusters. So it's coming together. I'm taking my time trying to get everything right. I'm just glad I don't film me working on it, because YouTube would have probably kicked me off. The words was coming out of my mouth trying to put them pieces in there. You get one end in, then the other end pop out. But slowly but surely it came together. Well, that's an update. This will be update number 5. Subscribe to the channel if you like this, because if you're first time watching this, there's the rest of starting from looking at it to now is on there on my channel. Leave a thumbs up on YouTube. Leave a comment if you want to. And that'll be it for tonight. So I'll be seeing you out there. Bye bye.